G'day and welcome back to the 40 channel. So another really quick tip of something really cool. I think this is gonna just set Mini off in a new way. We've all seen the rain visors that you can get for all your modern cars that just fit perfectly around the door. Well, ToJo Cruiser Shields have come up with a solution for the 40 series Land Cruiser. This is really cool. And the installation, I haven't done it yet, I have no idea, but I believe it is going to be super simple. Let's get straight into it and check this out. Righto, so let's have a look at fitting them up. Now the first thing I'm going to do is I'm actually going to clean the whole area with some wax and grease remover. That'll make sure that it's clean, there's nothing in there that's going to stop it sticking, because the way this mounts up, look at that, how nice is that? Look at that, that looks so cool. I'm excited, let's rip it out. Right, a little bit of wax and grease remover like I said, give that whole area a nice good clean. And you can see, even though it looked really clean, we've got some dirt there. How nice does that look? This is going to really suit Minty. The whole black and green theme is really going to go off. You see that fits perfectly. Give it a test fit, make sure you're happy. Right, we know we're going to line it up. We're going to line it up with the bottom of the door here, so it lines up with here. We're going to try and make sure that top is nice and even as well. If you're nervous, you can put some little pen marks or something there if you like. Here we go. Make sure you put a bit of pressure, work your way all the way around. Really pressing on that double-sided tape. Really get a good bond. Now you want to make sure that you do it on a nice, warm, sunny day, that the steel's a bit warm. You can even leave the shield out in the sun just a little bit, just to warm up the adhesive. And like I said, lots and lots of pressure, that it's nice and firm on there. Exactly the same as the other side. We've already prepped that all up with a wax and grease remover. Double-sided tape off. Again, just take your time, because once it's on, it's on. Man, how nice do these look? Really slimline, doesn't protrude too much. It's not too much further out than the actual windscreen gutter on the front side here. Mate, it really looks really cool. Wow. You can have your window cracked with a bit of rain, it's not going to get in there. It's now got a nice waterproof seal around here. Man, ToJo Cruiser Shields have done a sensational job. On top of that, they're doing a bit of support for Long Drive for a Drought and our Cruisers for Angels in Ugara. You get the opportunity to be able to bid on some of these or win some of these, either in the Ugara weekend or the Long Drive for a Drought auction page. So fantastic support from these guys too. Super happy with them, they're amazing. That's the quickest install we've ever done on this channel. We're done. Now the cool thing is that these come in either clear or tinted, so I think the clear ones would look really amazing on a more classic or an LX build or something like that. So a couple of years down the track, when we get our LX up, we might go the clear ones. I think it'd just look really nice against the white LX. But for Minty, these look fantastic. They're nice, slim, they don't protrude, they don't look out of place whatsoever. They have just come up really neat. Now the cool thing is, I've been driving around with these, so no wind noise. Let's give it a bit of a crack. Still no wind noise, so that's really cool. Gives it a little bit quieter when you just got that window cracked down a little bit. Let's wind it all the way down. Even that, it's fantastic. No wind noise, but still a bit of a breeze coming in. Yeah, what a ripper, eh? Righto, so these are solid, they are strong as. Let's pull over and have a bit of a discussion about it, mate. Mate, I'm really impressed. There's no real wind noise coming in whatsoever. It does highlight there's a lot more noise in the cab, creaks and groans and bumps and knocks, but that's a 40 series Land Cruiser for you. Now these things, like, it's 4.5mm thick, UV stable, nice tint on it, so it doesn't get that sun glare coming in. But like I said, I think the clear ones would look really nice on a classic cruiser, and a nice solid acrylic too. So I tell you what, inside the cab, like I said before, there's no blind spots because you can still see through the tint or through the clear. Mate, these are an absolute winner. I tell you, I am really stoked with these Cruiser Shields. They've done a great job. I'm actually keen to try them out with a bit of rain. Well, that's pretty much it for this episode. The ToJo Cruiser Shields, I tell you what, they get my tick because I love the styling of them. I love the look on this green. Like, it really sets Minty off. It ties in with the whole black and green theme. But that's just my option. You've got clear or black, as we spoke about before. I love how strong they are, and they don't give you any blind spots and they don't stand out. So if you're keen on a set of these, jump on the link down below. It'll take you straight to their webpage. You'll be able to purchase it from them. They'll get it straight up to you, and the easiest thing you can ever install on your 40 series Land Cruiser.